Good morning.
That's pretty good.
What?
6 bedroom, 2 bathroom. Looks like a double car garage, double story with a pool.
Cool. We are in Ipswich.
Living the dream.
We're going to go to the Workshops Rail Museum. They've got a Thomas the Tank Engine display that's on for the rest of, I think, until Australia Day. We're just waiting for Max to wake up. He's having a little top up nap. And I think it might be a bit busy based on how many people are waiting. It doesn't open till 9:30. There are quite a few people lined up waiting to go in. Being the last weekend until it's, you know, but until Thomas isn't there anymore because Australia Day is on Thursday. Pretty excited though. We've got our tickets. We're going to go and hang out with Bonnie and Kate and their families, which are Gary, Justin, Elijah and Maggie. And it should be fun. Good morning!
Go avocado.
Yes, how exciting.
Don't want to be put down. How are you?
Oh.
Hey.
Wow. Wow, Max. No, it's the different kinds of train wheels.
They're all different.
Yeah, I think you're supposed to decide which one is the best, and I think it's this one. Okay, go. Oh, it self-corrects.
Go!
Yes!
So that one's no good.
Dad's found the air-conditioned spot. He's watching some cartoons. Everybody's just watching the screen. It's just of us driving.
Like a video.
Yeah. Go! Get her!
He runs as fast, he's like a Max. You got 2 up here now.
It's the country station. That's so cool. Ah.
Just pretend he's wearing it.
Hey?
Just pretend he's wearing it. Doesn't get nicked.
So it doesn't.
Beep, 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 beep. Attention, ladies and gentlemen, with the veil's been shading, please stand up.
This is all this is the might and muscle section. It's a very nice carriage. The Vice Regal carriage. There's all sorts of equipment on how to build the railway. And some information on how they did it. This is the museum section. A couple of different kinds of trains here. There's a newer one, a steam train. Oh, the camera's misty. It is so hot today. It's like 33 degrees, but it's also like about to rain. Look at that. That's so cool. And there's a big hook. And then this one. Ooh, sorry. This one is like from once upon a time when I guess the drivers would live on them. Yeah. Heritage rolling stock maintenance through there. So it is actually a workshop as well. You can do tours, which I would love to do one time. This is some of the collection. Apparently some rich guy passed away and he had like a massive, like, you can see all the containers, a massive collection of different trains. Ah, it's the Fat Controller! Hi, Fat Controller! Bye! This is so fascinating. There's all different kinds of trains and different carriages, and I've got a museum and I've got history of the railway development, and now we're about to go and see the Thomas show with the Fat Controller. There's Douglas. Are you loving it, Max?
It's a lovely day, so wonderful to see you all. I don't think you can say. Right, look at it, tractor rolling down the track. 115 a steam train with there's no going back.
We've had a fun time at Thomas, haven't we? Hey? You say bye, Thomas. Choo choo. And it's about to storm. Have a look at those clouds. Wow. I don't know if you can see, but it's... Ugh.